IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. How often do you have barbecues? Band 5. Answer.
I have barbecues sometimes, maybe once or twice a month. I like to eat meat and spend time with my friends. We usually do it on weekends when we are free.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Simple ideas. Some pauses likely. Limited development of ideas. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Meet. Friends. Weekends. With little range. No idiomatic language. Grammar. Mostly simple structures. Little complexity. Possible tense or agreement issues. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but may have unclear sounds or inconsistent stress. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates meaning but lacks range and precision. Basic, somewhat repetitive language. Band 7.5 Answer.
I usually have barbecues about once a month. It's something I really look forward to because it's a great way to relax and catch up with friends. We normally prepare a variety of meat and vegetables, and we enjoy sitting outside, especially when the weather is nice.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth flow. Extended answer with supporting detail. Lexical resource. Good range. Look forward to. Catch up. Variety of. Mostly accurate. Grammar. Mix of simple and complex structures. Mostly error-free. Pronunciation. Clear and natural with appropriate stress and rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. Good control of language with occasional minor slips. Ideas well connected and developed. Band 9 Answer.
I don't have barbecues very frequently, perhaps every couple of months. But when I do, it's a real treat. Barbecuing has a social element that I love. It brings people together in a very relaxed outdoor setting. I particularly enjoy experimenting with different marinades and grilling techniques, so it becomes a bit of a culinary project as well as a social occasion.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, well-structured, detailed, and natural delivery. Lexical resource. Sophisticated range. A real treat. Social element. Experimenting, culinary project. Grammar. Full control of complex grammar. Natural and accurate. Pronunciation. Fully natural. Precise intonation, rhythm, and stress. Typical of a Band 9. Fully flexible, natural command of English. Nuanced, idiomatic vocabulary. Highly coherent. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.